Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to cover creating reusable form widgets using form as a service component. In one of my other videos, I had covered the new portal builder feature and demonstrated how a portal page can be created quickly with some drag and drop components. We also saw how multiple eForms can be rendered as smaller widgets on the main portal builder page. This is the main use case of widgets, which I'm going to show in this video. So for example, if you wanted to create a map control on a page, or maybe a QR code, or maybe you wanted to put an announcement list on one of the sections of your customized homepage, you no longer have to resort to custom coding if you don't find that as an out-of-the-box available component. Instead, you can just define one custom widget using eForms and then embed it right within your portal page. So I'm going to demonstrate that feature real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and say add an app. I'm going to select form-based application, give it a name. Click next. Now, for these kind of applications, there is no data source they are bound to. They are just like read-only kind of stuff. So I'm going to say I want to define a widget-only form. Click next, give it a name, and click finish. Now I can style the form in whichever way I want. The use case I'm going to use is I wanted to put a map on one of my portal pages, right? So I'm going to just make use of my map control in eForms. I'm going to say this is of type Google Map. I'm going to zoom it a little bit. And map center location is current location. And I'm also going to, let's span it for a couple of columns. And I'm also going to put a geolocation. And I'm going to bind it to the map control. Okay, so with that out of the way, I can quickly see in my PC browser, the map gets generated, it figured out, put the beacon of wherever I'm located right now. So it says I'm in the San Jose area. So as you can see over here, it has no submit or cancel buttons. This is just like acting like a widget. Now, at the time of recording, this particular property has not been set yet, but what we are going to have is the header would not be shown on such forms. So this will be set to no by default. So you will see the one without header. And also this sidebar rendering would be gone. So it will act as a true widget. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say save and check in. And go ahead and click publish. Now remember that because this doesn't have a view, the view selector drop down is gone. I can set the permissions as well. And I'm going to go with the default permission. Now in order to use that, what you can do is, because you would need a link to this form which you can put in a widget. It can be even iframe from an external ASP.NET application, for example, right? So I can go to forms, I can go to widget, select my form, what I have defined, and then there is a new link over here called copy link. Click on it. So the URL has been copied. I can just paste it, and you can see that the logic works and it gets rendered. Now I can make this as a component in my page portal page builder or my external ASP.NET form. So it's just like a read only. I could have done search against some external database, showed some rows like announcements back from a SharePoint list or maybe some other system, and just surface it within a bigger page. Thanks a lot for your time.